What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back when I hit and smashing out banger, guys. You already see from the title what we're dealing with today. Today, reacting to 1Biggsdon, Fraud Liad. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco Don back in the building. Don Mafia was good. Hope y'all, how y'all feeling today? I hope y'all good. Hope everything is alright. Hope your family and everything is okay, guys. Yeah, man, fam. Look, see you from the title and the intro what we're dealing with today. Yeah, but before we jump in the track, I just want you to take this time to go ahead and like and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell. You in tune with the latest channel, the latest reaction channel on YouTube. Come on, man, stop playing with it, dog. We're a family. We're a gang, we're a mafia. This is the Don Mafia. We're take over this, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the latest reaction channel, podcast, everything on YouTube. Y'all don't want to miss any videos, trust me. Oh yeah, guys, you already know what time it is. Yeah, today we're back from the Tigers. So we're doing today. We're there with Biggsdon again. No stranger to the channel. Biggsdon just dropped a song like 20 hours ago called Fraud Liad. You feel me? I'm gonna check it out and see what I'm going today, because you don't know what's going on with Biggsdon lately. Like, a lot been going on in social media, especially between him and a Jamaican vlogger called Floridian, where he's talking about, yo, Biggsdon is like one of the worst artists to do music or to do dancehall music. So, you know, so I guess Biggsdon is here to prove them wrong, because like less than, I say like what, 48 hours he dropped a new song. So I'm gonna check it out, see what I'm going, see if it's actually a hit or miss. See if he did his thing on his song. See if Pterodon line or not. You know what I'm saying? So let's see if he proved Pterodon wrong. You know what I'm saying? Because, yeah, Biggsdon, everybody a lot of hope for him. So it's crazy to see what's playing out in social media right now. You see me? So, yeah, guys, take this time to hit that like and subscribe button. You know, turn on the post notification bell. We're about to jump right in the track. You feel me? Not go over the vibes much longer. This is 1Biggsdon, Fraud Liad. Let's get it.
Black. Just about to chat with little hope, and them gyal inna the country, she dey give me dope. Just a little walk loud, them nah the fraud Liad.
You know, man, it's a gyal in the country. I give them dough now. Ah, they come in, Biggsdon. I'm like, little vibes, man, like my try build up something. You know, hope you do a little something different. Hopefully, you do your thing on the track of that. Yeah, cause I actually want to see you do good, you know. I don't want to see nobody fall. You know? Don't follow nobody, no, please nobody. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Them nah the fraud Liad. Just drop the X and a low tires. Have your girl inna the back and make it show tired. You know see it, them a so fryers. I'm rich and I'm a.
The man said just drop it X and a low and tired. Yeah, low and tires. Have your girl in the back and make she show tired. Hey, go on.
I'm alone dial. Oh, the man chop push it in, make you show tired. Girl, bad girl, run leads and beat client. Real giant. Red number pass speed dials. Just a bag of chat with little hope, and then girl inna the country and she a give me dope. Yeah, rich and me no poor, X have it in a sport, one down inna the road. Run up the leather they can.
You know, okay. Yo, okay, Biggsdon. You know what I'm saying? I say that he body sorry, but it have a vibe. You can't say it don't have one. You know, some boy a fraud Liad. You know what I'm saying? Just drop your X and I'll be your tires. I'll get in the back and make you show tired. Them nan, yeah, blows. Alright, come in.
Big bony man chop push the day, make it show tired. Bad girl, run leads and beat client. Real giant. Red number.
Run leads and beat client. Real giant. Come in.
Beat dial. Send him run up the Michelin. Lift up baby Nelly. Shut out open jelly. Marrow run out like a credit.
Alright. Come in now, man.
Open jelly. Marrow run out like a credit. Alpine catch him. Mother cries stressing. Bright like get him.
Alpine catch him. Mother crack. Alright, dog, have a look. Let's see what I deal with. Because when I say that, I can't find little lyrics now. Let's see if dog find a little bit. Let dog find a little piece. Let's see.
Number pass speed dial. Send him run up the Michelin. Lift up baby Nelly. Shut out open jelly. Marrow run out like a credit.
Run up my Michelin. Lift up baby Nelly. But when I say open up in jelly, where is the jelly? I run out like credit. Come in on.
Pine catch him. Mother cries stressing. Bright like get him. Show this Nile Regine. Big shot. Get the weed and henny. The girl a bad. And she need. It's Sang it a beat a Paris. We go on it, you know see it you fall it. I don't go on and you can't tell me to me then. Me then I read and Biggs a fucker man.
So I go and can't imagine say Biggs a fucker man. What God?
The next thing go strength they want some game.
So you say, well, a terror than the dog attack. That's a strength him look so your game. A terror than the attack, Biggs. A terror. People, let me know what you think. I think you talking about terror than in that one. Say a strength you look so your game. You don't feel like that how go on?
Yes, and alone tires. I ain't getting in the bag, I make it too tired. Yeah, pussy them attack, them are some fires.
Yeah, I think all this thing people be talking about Biggs, you know. I think he's just a jovial youth, you know. Yeah, you see me like our popcorn and keep up being fun and like having fun. I think that's what's going on with Biggs. He's just a happy youth that's like having fun, just like jovial youth. You know, and that's how him having fun. You know what I'm saying? Yo, the dog I say, yeah, you can't follow him, come and fuck him, man. Yeah, man, I feel like Biggs, yeah, man, you can't follow.
Big booty man, chop push it in, make it too tired. A bad girl, run leads and beat client. Real giant, Fred number pass speed dials.
These no Biggs. Do your thing with G. You're gonna make it eventually. Yeah, let me charge it. Yeah, man. 1Biggsdon. Blood clean. Yeah, man. That one is a little vibe. What do you think about that one there? A little bounce vibe, a little chill. You know what I'm saying? Not do too much, not do too little. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Biggs, you do your thing. Dog have couple lyrics in there. You know what I'm saying? Run leads, beat client. You see, just drop the X and I be a tired girl in the backseat and make her show tired. You know what I'm saying? You see me if you run on me, shell him, pick up BB Nelly, open up in jelly, and run like credit. You know what I'm saying? That doing thing, man. You see me, Biggsdon, keep going, bro. Keep practicing. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thing. You're gonna just keep getting better and better. Just keep work by your craft, dog. You see me? Because people love you. You see me as much as some people at all, you know? Your people them love you, your fans them love you, because as much as you cost them on live, they returning every day to support you, you know what I'm saying? On your music they support you, you know what I'm saying? So just keep doing your craft, you know what I'm saying? Keep working on your skills and improve your freestyle, everything. And you don't say your music just gonna get better. You see me? So yeah, man, people. Like that. I love that for Biggsdon, guys. You know what I'm saying? Biggsdon, you do your thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, just look for see what else is in store for you. People, if you like that one, definitely let me know. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, drop your comments in the comment section. Definitely go show the artist some love and support. And you know Jambisco that send you. And let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, Down Life Mafia. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.